Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Google Merchant Center restoration case study where we were able to restore one of the account which was initially suspended for misrepresentation. And before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza and I'm an owner of a Google partner company. Me, myself as Google Ads, Meta Ads, Bing Ads, as well as SEO certified. And we provide solutions and help clients with Google Merchant Center suspensions, restorations, Google Ads suspensions, disapprovals, also Google Ads management, Google Merchant Center shopping campaigns management. We also help clients with Google Business Profile, Google Search Control, also web development services. So in case if you need either of the services, including web development or landing page services, you can hire me and my team. So now let's get started with this amazing case study. Here you may see now this is a website. So you may see over here that this is now also an approved website. This is in the Netherlands, so it's an NL domain. You may see yourself. It's regarding lamp, welding, kitchen, tableware, accessories. So now this is an approved website, but what took us to get it approved? Let's get started on this. So I'm going to show you the documentation. Also, I do not have everything because it's a team effort. So first of all, the credit should be given. Where do the credit should be given to the team who worked hard to make sure to make it a successful project. Now I'm going to show you first of all the initial suspension, and then let's get on this. So I forgot to add over here, so now I have added. Let me show you over here. Okay, you may see over here, this is you can also verify it for the customer ID as well. You can see over here that fix all setup and policy issues over here, another over here with the same, and you may see over here that the products were 1150 products, and you may see not approval over here. You may see that the suspended account for policy violation, error, misrepresentation is over here with the products not being allowed to show in Belgium and Netherlands, and you may see over here. Now this you can also verify it from this as well. And if just for a second, I want to show you the approval as well. This is an approved account and this was a suspended account, so you can also verify it over here as well. And the products now are being approved. Some are limited, however the majority are approved and running. So how we were able to get it restored? So I'm going to show you. As a dedicated Google partner, we have access to Google Premium support, and as after sorting out hundreds of accounts, we have learned and created our own 160 plus checklist which ensures the compliance, where we use different methods including checking around on your Google Merchant Center plus your website, Shopify or WordPress compliance, which includes even checking to small minor details, even broken links, even on the social media details, also the payment methods, the response time, your time zone, GMT, broken links, also Google Search Console error, Google Business Profile error to get it approved. So I'm going to show you a few of the audits which my team did. Although there were so many audits, and I'm going to show you the major only just for the reference for this as well. Okay, so you may see over here that in the contact us, my team suggested adding social media icons, plus we suggested highlighting all the headlines over here. You may see that the shop name, company name, everything need to be shown in the professional headline. Also we suggested removing some of the words, also suggested improving alignment, plus we suggested adding the contact us section on the track your order page. Shipping policy page, we recommended not to target two companies from one website. Cut-off time to be written off. Cut-off time, also shopping return refund policy page also need to be aligned. Also there were some category issues. So in collection menu, products are found. So we suggested sorting out the categories, assigning the website. Sometimes there are issues in the website. Sometimes it's a plagiarism issue. Sometimes the images has the issues, copyright issues. So it may vary from case to case. And there's sometimes what happens is that the wrong products are being added in the wrong area. For instance, kitchen utensils and dining are same products are in this, and they were being added in the two separate categories. We suggested removing. We suggested adding some reviews on the products for the compliance. You may see over here that the favicon is missing. The favicon is a small icon. For instance, this login, you may see over here, this is now favicon. You may see where my mouse is pointing on. You may see over here with the GMC targeting one company we recommended, and some shipping policy page processing time were different on delivery information page and on other pages also that need to be mentioned over here. For instance, over here this is 9 to 13 days, over here it's 8 to 10 days, so it creates confusion. So this needed to be sorted out, because on the Google we are mentioning, on the Google page merchant account we are mentioning 9 to 13, and on the website we have written 8 to 10 days. So you may understand that this creates confusion. So we suggested sorting out all of the things. Also, return refund policy page, some dead links were also being found which need to be sorted out. Also, you may see over here that the email addresses need to be clickable. Placeholders were being found. Now I have been speaking it again and again that placeholders Google do not allow it, and even if you get restored with misrepresentation, chances are your Google Merchant Center account is going to be suspended with website or online store needs improvement, which is why removing placeholder is necessary. Now placeholder can be found in this bars like these, spaces like this, or on your contact us form page, or plugins, or your theme, or anywhere on the website. A good ideally developer can sort it out, because if you try to sort yourself, the chances are you may create a bug in your theme or website. Apart from this, this information should be about contact information, some fact what need to be added, frequently asked questions. We created a frequently asked page where different answers were concerned. This also helps increasing your sales and conversion. So complying with Google policies also helps you in making more money indirectly. So it's a very good idea to get your website compliant with this. Okay, so you may see over here that return and refund policy page has a little confusion, so my team sorted out that as well. And you may see over here that track your page need to be clickable on the shipping partner page. In the fact, we suggested adding more content, more data, and the format should be in the same writing. This should not be italic, different words being using, like for instance, if you're using different fonts in the same page, we do not recommend it. Ideally it's a good idea to have a same style, same structure. Plus, optimizing your website speed is also very important. You may see over here that the page speed still had an issue, and we also suggested adding newsletter. Newsletter also helps. Disclaimer, plus the language we suggested changing to Dutch. Also, you may see over here that the social media had some issues. We sorted out those as well. Broker links were still over there. We were able to find those. And most importantly, apart from this audits, you need to sort out your Google Search Console profile as well. So for instance, you may see over here that with the Google Search Console they have a 404 error over here like these. You may see over now this is another error of Google Search Console. They were being fixed. You may see over here as well. Also, as a Google partner, we have a dedicated support, and we asked multiple times the Google support to go into the wider team to see and find out what's pointing out what's the error. Also, we did email communication, we did chat communication. You may see over here that I have checked the account and I can see that the account was suspended due to misrepresentation. You see over here that they are opening queries. Now the team was multiple staff was on it, so multiple teams are opening tickets, multiple teams are opening chats, so giving Google a lot of pressure over here. So you may see over here that the account is currently under review, and finally that was the moment when the account was into the review, and then suddenly we got this an email from the Google. You may see this is our company email address. You may see over here as well, so you can verify as well. So now you may see a review of misrepresentation for Walla and is complete. Dear Google Merchant Center, the requested review of misrepresentation has been completed and the issue no longer appears in your Merchant Center account. You may see over here this is a successful case study for Google Merchant Center suspension, and now this is another approval over here. You may see that the account is now approved. Now I'm going to show you in front of you that the account is approved and running. So let's get loaded over here. You may see that the account is approved with the products being in the green. So you may see now this is an approved Google Merchant Center account. And if I go into the product section, I'm going to show you the products are also being approved over here. Also have green mark. And if I'm going to see the needs retention mark, you may see over here that this is the only error, and this is the overcapacity for shopping products, and these are the products 105 where now this is not an error for suspension. However, this needed to be compliant. So this is for overcapacity, and we have to remove these products and do the editing of it, because it was being uploaded in the wrong way, which is why it's saying overcapacity. Otherwise the account does not have cross the capacity. We have seen clients running 10,000 15,000 products without an issue, so it is just an uploading error. So we need to re-upload this error, otherwise this is not an issue. And you may see over here that the products are now approved, and these are the limited 105 which has the overcapacity issue and needed to be re-uploaded again. Otherwise these are fine as well, and the account is approved manually and is in the green mark. So you can see that this is a successful Google Merchant Center case study where we were able to get this account restored. Now, if your account is suspended for Google Merchant Center misrepresentation, broker landing page, website or online store needs improvement, healthcare, medicine, counterfeit goods, or any other issue, me and my team can help you. We can also help you with Google Ads disapproval, suspensions. We can help you in so many ways. We can also help you with Google business profile suspension, Google search console issues. We can also help you with web development, Shopify, WordPress, and the best thing is that we are the champions in Google Ads management, Google shopping campaigns management, Google merchant campaigns management. So if you need help in either of these things, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I hope you like this case study. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I create a video like this, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care, and in case you have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you and bye bye.